Hello. In this video, we will see how to leverage AI to tag images to organize them better in the media library. Go to the image you wish to tag. Right-click to get the menu and choose the Add Auto Tags option to open the AI tagging pop-up. ImageKit leverages Google Cloud Vision and Amazon Rekognition AI services to generate highly relevant tags for your media asset. You'll see an option to choose either or both services. Next, you'll see the confidence score scale. Choose a value on a scale of 100. For every tag that is created by the AI service, there is a confidence score associated with it. Setting this filter with the minimum threshold score removes tags with low confidence scores from the AI service. This ensures your media asset only has very relevant tags associated with it. Next, you'll see the max tag section. Mention the number of tags you'd like the AI to generate using each service for your media asset. Once you have set the inputs, you'll see the number of credits used for this tagging. Refer to our pricing page to understand more about credit usage. Click on Add Auto Tags to generate the tags for your image. You'll see a notification for successful tag generation. To check the tags generated, double-click on the image you chose. Click on Tags in the File Information screen. You'll see the AI tags with an indication of the service used added to the image based on your input. Similarly, you can add or remove AI tags to your assets using ImageKit Media API. Read more about this in our doc. Go ahead and try ImageKit today.